Are you stuck wondering how to choose the right digital marketing agency for your business? It's not an easy decision. You can get all of the proposals in the world, and how do you know if they're legitimate or not, if they're actually going to fulfill their promise? Is it a salesperson trying to overpromise and underdeliver you on some sort of a proposal that just looks really cool and looks great? Well, first and foremost, don't fall for the flashy proposal, especially even the flashy price. Maybe the price point is super cheap. Well, with digital marketing, SEO, you get what you pay for every single time. I know it's really tough for small businesses with small budgets, but sometimes it's worth just pocketing the money yourself instead of giving it to an agency that's not going to move the needle for you. You really have to focus on the substance over the sizzle, and maybe even asking what that agency has done for similar businesses to yours. It's a great question to ask, and even if they don't have any case studies, they should be able to cite some examples. These examples will give you confidence that they would be able to get the job done for you. Another great question to ask the agency is ask about month 3. A lot of agencies might promise quick results or guaranteed leads and all that type of stuff. You've seen the ads before, but ask them about what happens at month 3. If they fumble the question, there's a good chance they're just looking for the short-term commission or short-term payment and not really focused on the long term. You need to focus on getting an agency that wants to work with you and grow with you in the long term. And number 3, you want to choose an agency that cares. You want a partner. You don't just want a vendor. You want somebody that cares about the growth of your business and not just getting that ad spend to almost play a game of Facebook roulette, or just taking your money and putting it into the Facebook slot machine. That's not what you want to do. You definitely want to choose a partner that is really asking you the right questions to understand your business, your goals, your aspirations. All of that is super important because you have to align your goals with the marketing agency that's doing the work for you. That way there you can do a lot of planning around the strategy, the long-term goals, retargeting audiences, special offers, giveaways. Because when you work with an agency that asks the right questions, the agency just isn't interested in your growth, but the agency is interested in the growth of your clients as well. And these are the questions you can ask to take them to that next step, to really challenge that agency before signing that dotted line to know if it's the right agency for you. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you give me a like and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you soon.